Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15fq4030ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The HP 15fq4030ns may experience issues where it won't boot up due to problems with the hard disk flex cable. This can happen due to wear and tear or physical damage, leading to a poor connection between the hard drive and the motherboard. If left unrepaired, your device may become unusable, resulting in data loss and further complications. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. To begin, ensure that the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, as we'll need them later. Once the screws are out, take the plastic prying tool and gently slide it around the edges to pop the back cover off. Be cautious not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the casing. With the back cover removed, locate the hard disk drive, which is usually positioned near the center of the laptop. Inspect the flex cable connected to the hard drive. This is likely the faulty component. Disconnect the cable by gently pulling it away from the connector, ensuring no other components are disturbed. Next, remove the hard drive by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. Lift the hard drive out carefully, and replace it with the new one, making sure it fits snugly in the same position. Reconnect the flex cable to the new hard drive, ensuring it's securely attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw the back panel back on, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. To verify that everything works, turn on the laptop and check if it boots up correctly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your HP 15fq4030ns. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you handle your laptop carefully and avoid placing any pressure on the device when closed. Regularly check the connections and keep the laptop in a cool, dry place to avoid damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.